Alright guys, it's a little bit of a rush day today. We have two cars leaving to Vegas, the purple Urus and this Huracan right here. This is actually a Technica Huracan that had some front end little damage. Customer opted to do a full makeover on it. This car was also in a bright orange color, and now it is wrapped in KPMF perfect matte black, I guess they call it. He wanted the specific color because it matches his Rivalto wrap. We're also doing his Rivalto project. That one's going to be a nice one. But for now, you see the front of this one is completely changed. That's all we did, wrap and the hood and the bumper. These parts are pretty aggressive looking. This is what the customer wanted specifically. Sent us pictures of this exact body kit, wanted it. We got it for him fairly quickly, wrapped it, put it on, and got the car ready. It is almost done now, and it's gonna go to Vegas, like I said, because this customer lives in Vegas, and we've partnered up with Vegas Auto Gallery, obviously, to do a lot of the cars. So pretty cool to see. We're gonna get it down, but I mean, that's a very mean front end for a Huracan that you could do to any model Huracan, by the way. Older ones, newer ones, doesn't matter. You could get this updated version, and honestly, it's priced pretty competitively. So contact us if you want to change your hood, bumper of your Huracan or your Rivalto, any Lamborghini you want.
What the f do you want? It's a mess over here.
There's less room there. I put it in a place where there's room. Tell me to pull it forward, but there's cars there. I parked it here, so because there's more room to work. I don't know what else more I can do to make more room. I don't know.
We got this beautiful Range Rover. That's very, very loud.
You're going to heaven.
While backing up. Did a nice blackout package on this thing. We did the wheels, gloss black. We also did the front of the nose of the car and the bottom piece as well, gloss black. We also did the emblems gloss black. So basically like a quick blackout package that changed the whole car around. Looks really, really nice. And also we did the side pieces as well, gloss black, as you guys can see. It looks really nice, beautiful. Good to go. Oh, they're chasing each other.
They're chasing each other.
Yeah, we're chasing each other.
You sure?
Look, oh damn, look at the lights, look at the lights.
Get that, why are you getting brand new Escalade, you guys? $165,000 machine. Look at this thing, it's crazy, beautiful. Let's take a tour. Come on. Oh man. Look at this, you guys. This is beautiful. And it's very, very fast. A lot of power. Very futuristic. Close to the Ivan. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
Wow. Yeah, yeah, I know.
Es un 2000 carro y something. Y estamos haciendo un small bodywork. There's the new bodyman, Pedro. ¿O es bodyman o no es bodyman? ¿Cómo fue, Pedro? No. Oh, no es bodyman.
Let's go in the paint booth and show you guys something.
Vic, I need to assemble in the other part for this one, okay? What? So I need a time.
What? This one?
The wind and the other.
I know, that's what you're going to do right now.
But I need a special glove for that.
Okay.
Because it's a Rolls Royce.
I give you a nice cloth glove. We have a Rolls-Royce Spectre that we have previously worked on. It was actually the first white Rolls-Royce Spectre we worked on. I did color matching stuff on it, custom RDB wheels, really clean. But this customer saw some of the 1016 Industries styling kit on our Instagram page, and he wanted these two specific parts. the rear trunk wing, and the front lower spoiler for the bumper. He didn't want the rest of the kit, he just wanted these 2 components. Here's the tricky part. This customer likes to bring his car and get it done in super unrealistic time frames. Meaning this car came in, the parts just came in today in the morning. And we already have them painted. They're drying with a heater, all that, and we're gonna glue them on the car right now. So in a day or less, we were able to paint these 2 parts and put them on the car. That's crazy unheard of, and the quality is 100%. And it's 2 different colors. The wing is silver to match the 2-tone in the car because the top half is silver, and the front lower spoiler is white to match the white. So when we gotta get it done, we get it done here at RDB.
¿Hacerlo otra vez? ¿Hacerlo otra vez? Oye, Colin. You know what happened when it takes something, right? I messed up. I f***ed up.
All right, we are standing next to this Viola Performante Urus. This is a wide body. It's not the typical ones we normally do. We didn't actually build this car. It came from somewhere else. Our good buddies at Vegas Auto Gallery purchased the car, wanted it cleaned up, and now they're gonna put it for sale. So this car is gonna be available in Vegas Auto Gallery. If you guys like it, hit them up, say RDB sent you, they'll give you a special deal. This is a beautiful example because it's Viola Performante, as you can tell, the beautiful 3-stage purple color. It has the Novatec body kit on there, but it does have a 1016 Industries hood. So a lot of goodies on there. It has some pretty cool looking wheels right there too, as you can see. They're directional and 24-inch, of course. It has an all black interior, so this works for anybody really, purple on black. Obviously, it's got all the carbon, the black and purple everywhere, and the rear end. So pretty clean, wide body Urus right here. The prices are getting really, really good on them. So if you were looking for a purple Urus, this one is available at Vegas Auto Gallery. Hit them up.
We have this Cayenne GTS here. You guys are very familiar with this car. We've done this car here. We did some decals on this thing, stickers. We also did a couple of blackout parts on this car. Nothing too crazy on this car. We put links on this car as well. So car went to the dealer, long story short, they did something wrong, I don't know what happened. But now the car is not leveled anymore and the adjustments are off. So we're gonna go and make sure that the links are correct, slam this thing like it used to be, and give it back to the customer. It's pretty high, yeah. Yeah, so we did the door handles. Blackout was the door handles. We did this black decal here that looks really good. Powder coated the wheels, satin black. We did window tints as well. And we put some links on, and that's it, you guys.
I think it's an adjustment, the cluster. Yeah. Yeah, but everything feels okay. We're gonna just put it over there.
Yeah, put it there so it doesn't bother anybody.
Yeah. What is he gonna put that one? Over here?
I think the Urus Daniel has to finish, no? Let me see.
Nah, a little bit too much to remove from one side. Yeah, it's gonna like have to go under the car, top of the car.